Light the burner. Turn on power. Set timer. Launch the cast iron skillet for preheat. Turn on motor. Season with salt. Plug in the meat probe. Insert the probe into the center of the meat. Set up the target temperature. Place the meat on the skillet. Flip the meat. Alert when the meat reaches the target temperature. Remove the cast iron skillet. Rest for 10 minutes. Season with pepper. Enjoy the ribeye.